Before you get your next home loan, let's take a look and see whether paying points on a mortgage is actually a financial benefit for you. Okay, so here we are looking at a $400,000 purchase price with a 5% down payment and a loan amount of $380,000. So are points actually worth paying on this particular loan? So we look at a no point loan at the time that I was doing this. The rate was at approximately 6.375. And remember, this is just an example. Your situation is going to be different. So the points obviously are going to be no fees. But if you paid 2 points, you could actually get a 5.625% interest rate. That's at 2 points. But that's going to cost you an extra $7,600 at closing, which is a lot of money. But you may be able to get the seller to pay for this without reducing this purchase price. So on a payment on a 6.375 rate, your principal and interest payment is going to be $23.71, and with a lower rate, it's going to be $21.87. So that's a pretty big difference. That comes up to $184 a month. So you have to consider, is $184 in savings going to be worth it? What are you going to do with that money? Now, you could be taking this extra money and paying down other debts, but you do have to remember that the break-even point in paying this extra cost is going to take you just over 41 months to recoup. Now, if you're going to be in the home for longer than that, you'll actually save money overall. But if you're not, if you refinance this home or if you sell this home, that's when you're going to lose the money. So this is a decision that you have to make, and whether this cost is going to be beneficial with these numbers at the end. So when you're figuring whether you want to pay points to get a lower rate, especially if you're paying it out of pocket, this gives you an idea of how you're going to figure it on your particular loan.